online classes. This is 6th day class. Yesterday we discussed about centroid, circumcenter and orthocenter. Today one more point is there. We'll discuss about incenter also. Before going to incenter in a triangle, we'll discuss about angular bisectors. See, the angular bisector means which bisects the angle, that's all. Bisecting means dividing into two equal parts, angular bisectors. Like this, we have three angles, so three angular bisectors. These three also concurrent. These three angular bisectors are concurrent at a point. This point of concurrency is called incenter. Incenter it is. So now done. First, we'll define the angular bisector. Angular bisector. In a triangle, the line in a triangle, the line which bisects the angle, which bisects the angle, is called angular bisector. Angular bisector. Next, put the side heading incenter. Incenter PUC point of view not required. JEE mains point of view, you have to practice this incenter. In a triangle, the point of concurrency of angular bisectors is called incenter. How to find this incenter? Just listen to me. Let the three vertices of the triangle A x1 y1, B x2 y2, and C x3 y3. And opposite to angle A, let the length of the side BC is small a. Let the length of the side opposite to angle B is small b, that is AC. Let opposite to C is small c. First write these values. In a triangle ABC, this is the formula for incenter. Let in a triangle ABC, A is equal to x1 y1 and B is x2 y2 and C is x3 y3. C is x3 y3. And let BC is equal to length small a. This is length of this line segment, side small a. Let AC is equal to Let AC is equal to B, opposite to angle B. Length of the side AC is B. And AB is equal to, AB is equal to small c. Then in center I is equal to formula nada. In center I is equal to, first we'll write the x coordinate. The x coordinate is ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 by a plus b plus c. So the x coordinate ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 by a plus b plus c, adding the three sides. Next, y coordinate. Guess the y coordinate. ay1 plus by2 plus cy3 by a plus b plus c. It is. It's a big formula. Practice for JEE mains point of view. PUC point of view not required. JEE mains point of view. So revise yourself. In-center, circumcenter, orthocenter, and centroid. We discussed 4 important things. Just to review all the things. Sir. Dear students, you are listening to our online classes. So PUC important course you have. So after PUC, you have to write the objective examinations. One is KSET, which is conducted by PU board, KSET. And in KSET, 50% weightage is there for PUC marks. KSET exam pattern is PCMB, they will conduct for engineering, local engineering courses and AGBSC. It is. So 50% weightage is there for PUC and 50% from KSET. And KSET pattern is out of 60 questions, 15 questions from first PUC, 45 questions from second PUC. That is the KSET pattern. So you have to practice it. And those who are interested to join in NITs and IITs, you have to go for IIT JEE mains and IIT advanced. IIT JEE mains means, just listen to me. IIT JEE mains means this exam will be conducted by NAT. 2 phases. Up to now, this is a completely online exam. After completion of second PUC in the month of January and in the month of April, in 2 sessions they are conducting this exam. For this year it is, they will give you just 25 questions, 25 physics, 25 chemistry, 25 mathematics. Here 20 multiple choice questions, 5 questions it is just you have to answer, numerical answers questions. They will not give any multiple choices. So 25 into here it is 4. So each subject is for 100 marks. Each subject is for 100 marks, that is total 300 marks it is. JEE mains exam. 150 plus is a good score for you. So here equal weightage for first PUC syllabus and second PUC syllabus. 50% from first PUC, 50% from they will select from second PUC. And most of the questions will be linked concepts here. They will link the trigonometry and algebra and trigonometry and calculus like that. That is the pattern of this exam, JEE mains. Here they will select out of 50 lakh students, they will write throughout India. They will appear for these examinations. Out of 15 lakhs students, they will select 2,50,000 students based on their caste and their this one. General merit, SC, ST category, OBC category is there. They will select 2,50,000 students. Out of these 2,50,000, these students are eligible to write IIT advanced exam. Advanced exam it is. This will be generally up to now May 3rd week they are conducting. Paper 1, paper 2. Two papers will be there. Paper 1, paper 2. Here there is no fixed pattern of this exam. Every year they are changing the pattern of the exam. Very tough exam in the world. The toughest exam in the world, not only in India. In the world only it is recognized as the toughest exam. Here we have 9,000 IIT seats are there. Even in NITs also through JEE means you people 12,000 seats are available for you. 12,000 seats. So in NITs 12,000 seats are available. In IITs 9,000 seats are available. So one more, many of you medical aspirants, NEET, you have to go through with the NEET examination. This will be conducted by NAT only after 2 years, every time, usually May 1st week, May 1st Sunday, fixed date is. But for you, we'll see now because of this COVID-19 changes, what they will do, we don't know. Here, NEET exam will be 3 subjects, physics, chemistry, biology means botany and zoology. 45 questions each. 45 physics, 45 chemistry, 45 botany, 45 zoology questions will be available for you here. So 45 into 4. Here also 45 into 4, 45 into 4. So totally it is 180 into 4, that is 720 marks exam. 500 plus is good score. You have to score 500 plus. 180 minutes, 180 questions. That is the difficulty here. So for each one question you will have 1 minute time. You have to attempt only which you are perfect, because otherwise -1 negative marking is there even in JEE mains also. Negative marking is there. If you attempt wrong things, you will get a -1. So perfectly you have to attempt. So first in these 2 years, botany, zoology, everyone will score almost all 300 definitely. The aspirants of medical, they will score 300 plus. Where you will be out of competition means in physics and chemistry. Here also minimum you have to score 100. Otherwise not possible medical seat. So only through biology and maximum students can score 300 plus or 330 like that you can score. But then compulsory in chemistry and physics you have to score 100 and 100. That means perfectly you have to solve 25 questions here out of 45. So please concentrating mainly the physics required more practice. It is linked with mathematics, so mathematics always required more practice. So for example, if you are studying botany 1 hour and zoology 1 hour means here you have to study 2 hours physics and chemistry compulsory. Time planning, just I am giving the percentage. So what is the available time, that is your choice. So this is about a NEET exam. I hope that you can understand your competition. Here in a NEET exam, this is a national level exam. It is in our Karnataka we have 9,000 local seats are there. I am telling you local states. Out of 9,000 seats, 15% under national category. In any state, 15% seats will go to national category. You are eligible in India, everywhere you are eligible for this 15% categories. And remaining 7,000 seats available for you. So in any state, these many of seats are not there. That is the luck for Karnataka students. Many, almost all 50 private colleges are there, 50 government colleges are there. So many seats are available in Karnataka. 9,000 seats are available. So if you score 500 plus in a NEET exam, easily you can join in local free seats. Free seat means the fees is only 70,000. And in private colleges 1 lakh it is there, free seat. And B category seat, it starts with 8 lakhs. B category seats are there. And C category 1 crore it is. Total 5 years package 1 crore. This is yearly 8 lakhs. Yearly 8 lakhs means 40 lakhs it is total fees. So government free seat means Just it is 4 lakhs. 70,000 into 5 years it is. See how much you can save. If these 2 years, if you effort, how much is you can save to your pocket. I am telling not to your parents' pocket. Your parents' money is yours money only. So you can save that much of amount here. So start the preparation, which is with available sources. Just thorough the NCERT textbook, many of you, practice the concept, making one order and practice the concept, and you should be in a position to prepare your own questions. Own questions I am telling you. Just preparing by linking the different concepts, by go through with some materials, go through with our classes, you should be in a position to prepare your own questions. Who is having this habit, those students will get medical seats definitely. So that is required. Individuality, self-responsibility is required. Now, last concept in introduction concepts, not done that one. Area of the triangle. Next, another important result. Before going to this, just note on one formula. In quadrilaterals, many of you know trapezium. What is the area formula for trapezium? We required to prove this result. Note on this one. Trapezium. Area of the trapezium. Area of the trapezium. Just remind yourself, you know the area of the rectangle, area of the square, area of the parallelogram, area of the rhombus, different quadrilaters we have. Area of the trapezium. Trapezium definition means it is a closed polygon by 4 line segments. Okay. Next, if any one pair is parallel, that is called a trapezium. That's all. That is only one condition for a trapezium. See that. What is the area of formula here? Of sum of the two parallel lines, AB plus CD into, tell me, distance between the two parallel lines. Distance between the two parallel lines. For example, this is height BE into BE, that is distance between two parallel lines, area of the trapezium formula. So by using this formula, now we are going to crack this theorem. Prove that. Here I am giving you prove that. I am not giving result. I am giving the answer also. Prove that the area of the triangle, ABC formed by the vertices AX1Y1, BX2Y2 and CX3Y3. And CX3Y3 is of, this is modulus, and a positive value, okay, we have to take modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3, simple, x1 next term y2 minus y3 plus x2 into cyclic, x2 into y2 after term is y3 minus y1 plus x3 into after y3 it is y1 minus of y2. Close this. Why I gave the answer? It is a complicated formula. That's why I gave the answer for you. Which one we have to derive, you should know. Prove that the area of the triangle ABC formed by the vertices AX1Y1, BX2Y2 and CX3Y3 is 1 by 2 of, this is into mod of and a positive value we had to take. Mod of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus of y2. And based on this formula, you have problems in NCERT textbook. See the derivation here. Very simple. Once again, consider a rectangular coordinate system. Just I am taking a triangle ABC. See this. This is a triangle ABC. Same procedure, like section formula will go here also. Ax1 y1 denoting it Ax1 y1, Bx2 y2, Cx3 y3. Just first listen to me, afterwards you can draw the diagram. So we require this triangle ABC area. So draw. BL is perpendicular to x-axis and AM is perpendicular to x-axis and CN is perpendicular to x-axis. So draw this one. Take the one triangle ABC first. Take the triangle ABC. Now we require this area of the triangle ABC. See the starting concept a confusion for you. So for this one, I am taking the trapezium area of the BLMA total area. This area will get. Listen to me. Triangle, sorry, quadrilateral trapezium, that is BLMA plus. Listen to me. In the diagram, from the diagram itself only. We require this triangle ABC area. First, I am finding the BLMA area. Is it clear? Total it is BLMA area. Next, plus AMNC trapezium minus of, see this, minus of, what we have to subtract? It is not rectangle. Maybe here I got that shape. That is also a trapezium. BLNC. If we subtract BLNC, why we have to subtract? See this one. In BLMA area, this half of this triangle is there and this extra area is there. In this trapezium, in AMNC trapezium, triangle area, remaining triangle area is there. This is required for us. See this one. This one and this one, it is required for us. To get this total one, and we have taken this total one. We have to subtract this one. So what is this area means? Trapezium BLNC. This is the idea. Area of the BLMA plus area of the trapezium BLMA plus area of the trapezium AMNC minus area of the trapezium BLNC. It is. That's all. And we'll try for it by using the point definition. Now done. First to draw the diagram. First explain this one. Consider a triangle ABC. Consider a triangle ABC given A x1 y1, B x2 y2 and C x3 y3. C x3 y3. From the diagram, or else first do the construction. Draw BL is perpendicular to x-axis. BL is perpendicular to x-axis. AM is perpendicular to x-axis, and CN is perpendicular to x-axis. CN is perpendicular to x-axis. From the diagram, area of the triangle ABC is equal to, this one we have to find. From the diagram, area of the triangle ABC, area of the triangle ABC, area of the triangle ABC is equal to, this is key point, area of the trapezium BLMA, area of the trapezium, area of the trapezium BLMA plus area of the trapezium AMNC, area of the trapezium AMNC, minus area of the trapezium BLNC. So by using the point definition, we'll write these values, we'll simplify it, we'll get the answer. Now listen to me. Coming to this diagram, what we required, first area of the trapezium BLMA. What is that formula? I'm taking BLMA, sum of the parallel sides. What are the parallel sides? BL is parallel to AM. So note on this one. That is 1 by 2, sum of the parallel sides BL plus AM. Just to follow the order, nothing difficult here, very simple. The distance between two parallel lines here. What is the distance between two parallel lines? LM plus. So area of the trapezium BLMA completed. Area of the trapezium BL is parallel to AM, so BL plus AM. Distance between two parallel lines LM. Now write the area of the trapezium AMNC. 1 by 2. AM plus, clearly AM is parallel to CN. AM plus CN into the distance between these two parallel lines. The distance between these two parallel lines, MN it is. MN minus area of the trapezium BLMC, 1 by 2 into, see this one, BLNC. If I am taking C here, BC is not parallel to LN. Okay, here the clearly always BL is parallel to CN. And the distance between these two is LN. Area of the trapezium BLNC means adding this BL plus CN into distance between these two parallel lines, it is LN, not BC, LN it is. Slightly, if I am changing this diagram, if I take C here, we'll get a BC is like this. Just to see the small change in the diagram. You should not get confusion. That is C if I am taking. Then you go see this one. So BLNC is also a trapezium, clearly trapezium it is, no problem. But continue with the same diagram, don't change your diagram. Now we'll find one by one. This is equal to 1 by 2. By using the point definition, tell me the BL perpendicular distance of the point from the x-axis. It is nothing but perpendicular distance of the point from the x-axis. BL value, it is nothing but y2. Next, AM means perpendicular distance of the point from the x-axis. Total AM is y1. CN is y3. CN is y3. OL is x2. OL value x2, this value. OM value x1. OM value x1. ON value, this one, ON value x3. In the diagram itself, not done. BL is y2 and AM is y1 by using point definition, and CN is y3 and OL is x2, OL value x2, OM value x1 and ON value x3. Just we'll write those values, we'll simplify it. Tell me first BL, what is BL value? It is y2. Y2 plus, next AM value y1, it is y1 into LM value. What is LM? LM means, listen to me, x1 minus of x2. LM means OM minus OL, x1 minus x2. x1 minus x2. It's over. First one is over. This is plus. Remaining to write, try to write yourself. AM, once again, AM means y1, 1 by 2 into y1 plus CN means y3, y3 into MN means, see this MN. MN means ON minus OM. ON minus OM means x3 minus x2. x3 minus x2. Minus 1 by 2 into BL. What is BL? Once again, y2. And what is CN? y3. y2 plus y3. y2 plus y3 into ln. See the ln value, x3 minus x2. Mn value. Mn is equal to x3 minus x1. Very good. This is x3 minus x1. y2 plus y3 into, that is ln. See the ln value, x3 minus x2. x3 minus x2. Not need to by heart, just to follow the systematic procedure. Not possible to by heart this proof. Just a simple through diagram by using the basics, finish it. Now remaining is simplification now. Now coming to this one by one, just 1 by 2 into, first multiplying it x1, next multiplying with the x2. Half common, 1 by 2 common in all. So this is final simplification. We are going to finish it. x1 into, follow the order, y1 plus y2 minus of x2 into y1 plus y2. First term simplification. x1 into y1 plus y2 minus of x2 into y1 plus y2. So my target is to derive this formula, x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus of y2. Easily to remember this formula. If we are writing the formula in this way, easily you can remember it. Next, here it is x3 into y1 plus y3 minus of x1 into y1 plus y3. y1 plus y3. Next, last formula. Minus of x3 into y2 plus y3, x3 into y2 plus y3, minus of minus plus x2 into y2 plus y3. That's all. Now don't multiply once again, you'll get confusion. This is equal to 1 by 2 into, follow me. First, we'll group the x1 terms. x1 into y1 plus y2, here x1 is there. First x1 terms will group, taking x1 common. x2 terms will group, taking x2 common. x3 terms will group, will take the x3 terms. Okay? Because the formula is like this: x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus of y2. First taking x1 common. I am taking x1 common. Write the remaining. y1 plus y2 minus of y1 minus of y3. Next term we will get the answer. Next, x2 common. In x2 terms, second term and last term x2 terms. x2 common. Write this one. y2 plus y3. First I am writing positive term. Minus of y1 minus of y2. Next, taking x3 common. Taking x3 common. Third term and fifth term. Plus x3 common. y1 plus y3 minus of y2 minus of y3. So plus y1 minus y1 cancel. Here plus y2 minus y2 cancel. Here plus y3 minus y3 cancel. Write that one. That is our required formula. 1 by 2 into modulus means take the positive value. That's all. 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus of y3 plus x2 into y3 minus of y1 plus x3 into y1 minus of y2. Generally area means we'll count in terms of positive value, so using the modulus. That is the required formula. Square units. Area always, what are the units? Square units. If it is centimeters, square centimeters. If it is meters, square meters. If it is feet, square feet, like that. Square units. Area always we have to mention with the square units. So practice this theorem immediately. And by using this formula, now done. Next. How to find the area of the quadrilateral when 4 vertices are given? All of you just listen to me. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. For you, 4 vertices are given: x1, y1, x2, y2, C, x3, y3, D, x4, y4. Tell me, by using this formula, how to find the area of the quadrilateral means, draw the diagonal. Area of the triangle ABD plus area of the triangle BDC. By adding these two triangles, we will get the area of the quadrilateral. 2 times you have to apply. You have this problem in NCERT textbooks. Okay, now done. Next, note. Area of the quadrilateral. Note. Area of the quadrilateral ABCD is area of the quadrilateral ABCD. Area of the quadrilateral ABCD is area of the triangle ABD. Area of the triangle ABD plus area of the triangle BDC. Area of the triangle BDC. This is the idea. This is second note 1. This is how to find the area of the quadrilateral by using the area of the triangle formula. Second point, all of you listen to me. If 3 points are collinear, can we form a triangle? If 3 collinear points, if we are taking here, can we form a triangle? Then what is the area of the triangle? 0. So in reverse, if area of the triangle ABC is 0 means we can say the points ABC are collinear. No, done. One more condition. Condition for collinearity. If area of triangle ABC is 0, second point, if the area of the triangle ABC is 0, then the points A, B and C are collinear. Collinear means the point lies on the same line. Collinear points. Condition for collinearity by using the area of the triangle ABC formula. So today you practice the area of the triangle ABC, area of the quadrilateral, condition for collinearity. These are the basic points of coordinate system. All of you practice these things. In the next class, we are going to start your regular syllabus, that is straight lines. That is the main concept for you. But in that concept also, all these points are required. That's why we discussed. 6 classes we discussed. Okay, all the best.